In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. First, what does this do? The ZX shortcut quickly puts the element you choose into focus, hiding or dimming everything else so you can refine details without visual noise. Before we use it, make sure you've actually selected the exact thing you want to isolate. To select the element, hover over it and click once to activate it. Look for the usual signs that it's selected: a highlighted outline, a bounding box with handles, or the layer name lighting up in your sidebar. If your canvas is crowded, zoom in slightly so you don't accidentally grab a group or a background. For nested items, click until the single element is targeted. Many tools show a subtle change in the outline when you drill down. If selecting from a layer list is more precise for you, that works too. The key is confirming you have only the intended element active. With the element selected, press ZX on your keyboard. Some apps expect this as a quick chord, meaning you press Z and X together. Others accept Z followed immediately by X. Use whichever form your tool recognizes. When it works, you'll notice the interface shift. The chosen element remains prominent while surrounding content is subdued or temporarily hidden. Often, the view recenters and adjusts the zoom so the element fits comfortably, making fine adjustments easier and preventing your eye from wandering. A few tips to ensure a smooth result. Make sure the app window is in focus. If another window is active, the shortcut won't register. Check that you're not currently typing in a text field, because keystrokes will be entered as text rather than triggering the command. Keyboard layout matters too. On some layouts, Z and X are placed differently, so press the physical keys mapped to Z and X in your tool settings. If you've customized shortcuts, verify that ZX is still assigned to focus. If nothing appears to happen, verify that an element is selected at all. The command can't run on an empty selection. Also watch for global shortcuts from other utilities that might intercept the keys. Remember, focusing doesn't modify the element itself or your document. It simply changes what you see so you can work with fewer distractions. When you're ready to continue designing, keep building from that clear view and repeat the shortcut whenever you need to regain focus. That's all there is to it. Select the element you want to focus on, then press ZX. With a little practice, this becomes a quick, dependable way to zero in on the details that matter.